Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix your Android messages not delivering on your Android device, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, you can just go over and try out basic solutions first of all. For that, long press on your power button for that and go ahead and restart your phone. So tap on restart and confirm it up. Restarting your phone should sometimes resolve the temporary glitches directly. Apart from that, make sure you have a strong cellular signal and that airplane mode is turned off so you can access your quick settings. And if you're using Wi-Fi, you can ensure that you have a correct Wi-Fi. And if you're using mobile data, ensure that you have a proper mobile data, like one with a stable connection, and you can check your network connectivity. Apart from that, you can clear your phone's apps, cache, and data. Go to settings for that, and you may scroll down, find the option for applications or apps, and tap on it. And from there, you can just go over and select the option for messages. And from messages, you can go over to the option called storage and tap on it. And go over and tap on clear cache and also clear data if that doesn't work. And apart from that, what you can do is you can go over and reset your network settings. So go to settings for that, open it up, and you can go over to general management, tap on it, and from there look out for the option called reset and tap on it. And you can go ahead and confirm resetting your network settings. That will erase the saved Wi-Fi password but can fix connectivity issues. And that's it. You can also reinsert your SIM card to make sure it's properly seated in its tray and do so. Also reset your messages settings if you can't reset it. As I said, you can clear up your data. And if none of those work, you can contact your carrier because it may be your carrier may be experiencing network issues or account may have a problem. So that is it, everybody. These are some of the solutions. You can try it out. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.